이제 와서 따로
예선을
이런 나게 돼야 그 내가 그 있는데 그 안내를 잘 보거든요.
प्रोग्राम अच्छे तुम रेडी कर रहो खाली रहो प्रोग्राम अच्छे रेडी कर रहो
स्वागतम जनाऊँ છું माहेश्वरी ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूट 11तम एनुअल ओथ टेकिंग सेलिब्रेशन रे आपण समस्त को सहृदय सहित आंतरिक शुभेच्छा एवं अभिनंदन ता संगे आम समस्त को स्वागतम करुछु हमर माहेश्वरी ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूट को समस्त छात्र छात्री मान को अनुरोध कर मंच पर स्थान खूब सुंदर परिवेश जनाऊँ समस्त पिला मान को अनुरोध करी समस्ते निज स्थान रे बसीजे एवं निरवता रक्षा करी आज कार्यक्रम को आम आग को नबू।
खूबसूरत सा एक पल का किस्सा बन जाता है, जाने का कोई जिंदगी का हिस्सा बन जाता है। कहते हैं खूबसूरत सा पल का एक किस्सा बन जाता है, जाने का कोई जिंदगी का हिस्सा बन जाता है। कुछ खास, जी हाँ, कुछ खास लोग मिलते हैं जिंदगी में जिनसे कभी ना बिछड़ने वाला रिश्ता बन जाता है। आदर, अभिनंदन, आभार, नमस्ते, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल एंड वेरी गुड इवनिंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। A very warm welcome to this absolutely wonderful, beautiful, auspicious day that brings together so many special peoples like you. I am Sara Lakara and as a co-anchor Sajan Naik, today we have the pleasure of being your host with this stage.
बड़ी भाषा यानी हिंदी में इस भारत में हिंदू पैदा हुआ, मुस्लिम भी, सिख पैदा हुआ, ईसाई भी, फिर भी हम में एकता है। और इस माहेश्वरी ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूट का एकत्रित मंच पर आप सभी को तहे दिल से स्वागत है।
उड़ना है हर पिंजरा कि मेरी उड़ान अभी बाकी है, मंजिलें ज़मीन पर नहीं, आसमान अभी बाकी है। लहरों का थमना नहीं समंदर का बेबसी है, बाहर खामोशी से ही भीतर कई तूफान अभी बाकी है।
लोगों को इस भव्य समारोह में उपस्थित हैं कुछ खास मेहमान और लग रहा है मुख्य अतिथियों का पाव पड़कर हमारा ये माहेश्वरी ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूट हुआ है प्रेरित उत्साहित और इस सुंदर सी शाम में जग उठा है माँ माहेश्वरी। जी हाँ, आप लोगों का करुणा और आशीर्वाद इस इंस्टीट्यूट पर रहे तो ये एक दिन आसमान की बुलंदी छुएगा, ये हमारा आशा और विश्वास।
But to be an inspiration is an honor. तो इस भव्य समारोह में उपस्थित मुख्य अतिथियों का परिचय प्रदान करने के लिए मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी डॉक्टर जयंता मिश्रा सर को। वो कृपया हमारे मुख्य अतिथियों का परिचय प्रदान करें।
Auspicious evening at the outset, I consider it my utmost privilege to be able to welcome the distinguished dignitaries on the stage. On behalf of our chairman sir, Shri Fakir Karna sir, and Secretary Ma'am Srimati Santoshini Karna, I extend a warm welcome to all of you at this grand 11th capping and oath-taking ceremony, our annual function of the Maheshwari Group of Institutions. It's been a story by itself. Apart from being a meritorious scholar, Sir has been an administrator par repute, while being accredited with a NAC A+. Not only that, Sir has been a constant mentor. Today, to listen to you with us, we once again welcome you. PHO Sir, Dr. Saroj Mishra. Sir has a vast profile. He has worked very well known. The healthcare delivery systems in rural and urban Sundargarh has attained a recommendable position in the state and the country in his job tenure. Sir has also been a writer of several books. We welcome. Yet has been kind enough to grace the occasion in spite of his busy schedule. Sir joined the prestigious OS in 2010 and served as the BDO for 11 years at Malkangiri, Gajpati, Balangir and Koraput. Sir is joined as the Sub-Collector Sundargarh in September 2022. It's an honor to know that prior to this, he served at the Jawahar Nehru. So we are today delightful, both as learners and as youth, to have you amongst us, sir. I take pride in introducing to you Dr. Gopinath Bhatt, Professor PG Department Orea, Samarts, Metalbo Samman Awards and several across different districts like Kalahandi, Balangir and several places. Today, we expect some great words from you today. It is a great opportunity. Sir has been the President of the Indian Microbiological Society and reviewers for many reputed journals. He is a well for his philanthropic work. He has been the President of the Rotary Club Sundargarh and currently is an active as the professional guest for the evening. Ma'am is working as the Deputy Nursing Superintendent at DHH Sundargarh and has been a constant source of inspiration for recognition. We welcome you, ma'am, for the evening. The programs, the courses, the dreams and all that we see today, thank you, sir and ma'am, for whatever you are doing for us.
Present here, हम सब बहुत प्रेरित हैं आज का इस सभा में आप लोगों को मुख्य अतिथियों के रूप में पाकर हमारा ये कार्यक्रम। और आप लोगों का अगर करुणा और आशीर्वाद इस तरह इस इंस्टीट्यूट पर रहे तो ये एक दिन बहुत दूर तक जाएगा, ये हम लोगों का आशा और विश्वास आज भी हम लोगों का दिलों में है। तो आप लोगों का आशीर्वाद हर वक्त इस इंस्टीट्यूट शांतिपूर्ण प्रार्थना करिबा।
तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय म्यूतुर्मय पर्सन फॉर लैम्प लाइटनिंग।
जी हाँ, आप लोगों को मुख्य अतिथियों के रूप में पाकर हमारा ये कार्यक्रम सफल हुआ। आप लोग आज का इस्लाम का सितारा हैं और म्यूजिक का अंदर जीवन है। तो आइए इस जीवित सभा में अतिथियों का स्वागतम के लिए एक स्वागतम गीत का आगाज करें। एंड फॉर दिस आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट आवर स्टूडेंट्स कम फॉरवर्ड फॉर ए ब्यूटीफुल वेलकम सॉन्ग। समस्त पिलामानी को अनुरोध करी समस्ते निरवता रक्षा करके हमें शांतिपूर्ण भाव में बसी जीवा।
Maheshwari Group of Institute. Please come to the dais for explain the annual report of this institution for the session of 2022 and 23.
Respected CDMO sir, respected Chief Speaker, respected Sub Collector sir, additional Chief Speaker, NF Madam, respected Chairman sir, Secretary Madam, all the teaching, non-teaching and all my dear students. It is a great privilege for me to present the annual report of Rourkela Senior Nursing College, Sundargarh. I shall take this opportunity of this day to recall before you the journey of the formulation of Maheshwari Group of Institution. The Maheshwari Nursing School was founded in the year 2009 with the objectives of a center of diverse and creative education under the New Life Club Society, Bargarh. Today, after almost in this 14 years of journey, the college has established itself a center of excellence for professional education in its own domain. At present, the available programs at Maheshwari Group of Institutions are collegiate programs like BSc Nursing, MSc Nursing, Post-Basic BSc Nursing, then BEMT, Bachelor in Emergency Medical Technology. School level program like A&M and GNM, allied courses like DMLT, X-ray Technician, OT Technician, Fast Aid Technicians, paramedical courses like DPharma, and our plus 2 residential college with Science and Arts stream. I am happy to announce that for the very first time in Odisha, Rourkela Senior Nursing College is permitted to conduct a PhD Nursing doctoral program as a nodal center under Sambalpur University. All nursing courses are having obtained NOC from DMET Odisha. Collegiate programs are affiliated to Sambalpur University and suitability obtained from Indian Nursing Council. In the last academic year, students admitted to the course which are for MSc 15, for BSc 60, for Post-Basic BSc Nursing 40, for A&M 38, for GNM 60, for Pharmacy 60, for DMLT 40. Coming to examination section, last year we have achieved a remarkable pass records of 100% in all courses. For all clinical field, we are permitted to send our students to DHS Sundargarh. Majority of our students are benefited as our college is enlisted in the AISHE state and national scholarship portal. Our technical team is providing assistance for the study loan in various banks. Coming to placement section, recently passed out students are currently working in various well-established organizations like JP Hospital Rourkela, Vikas Multi-Speciality Hospital Bargarh, Kishori Nursing Home Bargarh, Yashoda Hospital Hyderabad. Along with the curriculum, we are also promoting our students for different co-curricular activities. Annual picnic held in the month of February, the annual sports held in the month of March at Reserve Playground, which saw an active participation from faculties as well as students. Several health days, various rallies, various health camps are being conducted at college. At the end, I would like to thank the Almighty and everyone who is attached to Maheshwari Group of Institution for making the last academic year a successful one. Finally, good luck to the new beginners who are going to start their professional career. You are expected to be the light of hope for the patient, be the rage which will eradicate the darkness of illiteracy and ignorance. Thank you.
Thank you so much for guest introduction. Now it's time to capping and oath taking ceremony, and for this I would like to request Mrs. Sunmya Patel ma'am, Senior Lecturer of Maheshwari Group of Institution, Sundargarh, Sankra, for continuing the session of oath taking. Please, ma'am.
Secretaries on the desk, all staff members of Maheshwari Group of Institute, parents, press media, and dear students, a very good evening to all of you. The lamp lighting, oath, and capping ceremony is an auspicious occasion in every nurse's life, held in reverence to the Florence Nightingale, the lady with the lamp. The ceremony formally recognizes all the students entering into the nursing profession, as the lamp symbolizes the light that a nurse becomes to her patients and as a symbol of hope and comfort to those suffering. Students lit lamp and wear the cap as a mark of their commitment and took the nursing place formally declared the students entering into the nursing profession. So, on this special evening, I would like to request our professional guest, Deputy Nursing Superintendent Mrs. Asa Dairy ma'am, and our beloved Secretary ma'am, Santoshini Khanna ma'am, to please come forward and give the cap to our GNM students. Please, ma'am. Please pass the light. Well done, students. Now it is time. I will abstain from whatever is deleterious and mischievous, and will not take unknowingly administer any harmful drug. I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession, and will hold in confidence all personal matters committed to my keeping, and all family affairs coming to my knowledge. In the practice of my calling, with loyalty I will endeavor to aid the physician in his work, and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care. Volunteers, please help the students to take the candle, place the candle in a proper place.
Thought, works and behaviors. Thank you. Sir, OAS Register, संबलपुर यूनिवर्सिटी, ज्योति विहार, बुर्ला। सर, कृपया आप अपना वाणी के माध्यम से हम लोगों को प्रेरित करें। एक जोरदार तालियों के साथ हम अतिथि को